In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a fully functional website using AI. You are going to learn how to set up your hosting and also how to get a free custom domain that makes your website unique and credible. You're also going to learn how to quickly generate this website with just a simple instruction and also how to edit and customize it to suit your branding. And we are not just going to stop at that. I'm going to show you how to add a blog or even an online store to your website should you decide to sell maybe any physical or digital products or anything you want to sell on your website. At the end of the tutorial, you will have learned enough to be able to create a fully functional website without needing to hire a web designer like me or to actually start learning any coding language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other coding language that is required to create a fully functional website. If you are ready to get started, then I am also. But I just need one little favor from you, and that is I want you to take this very second to click on that subscribe button. Yes, just click on that subscribe button and help this channel grow so I can make more tutorials like this for you. Alright, so you want to set up a functional website, then you need two important things. One is your hosting and the other is your domain name. Now your hosting is where all the files and all the data of your website is stored, and it is what allows people easily access your website. While your domain name is the identity of your website, it is what people will type into their browser anytime they want to visit your website. And having a custom domain name that is same or very similar to your business name gives your website a lot of credibility. For example, if your business name is Sabinus Enterprises, then your domain name should be sabinusenterprises.com or just even sabinus.com. Now this gives visitors to your website the feeling that they are dealing with a real business and not just any other business but your own particular business, and so they are confident accessing your website and taking the actions that you want them to take on your website. So now that we know how important it is to have a good hosting and a domain name, the next question is, where do we get them from, or how do we even get them? Now personally, I would recommend that you get it from Hostinger. And why there are numerous reasons why I recommend Hostinger, I am just going to list 3 that matters to you the most. Now, the first is the AI website builder. The second reason is site speed. The third reason is customer support. And now I know I said that I'm going to give you 3 reasons, but I'm going to add one more, and this one more is actually very important, most especially to your pocket. Now, you can get started with Hostinger, the premium plan, for just $2.99, and if you add up $1, making it $3.99, you can get a business plan and even enjoy more features. And to even make the deal more juicy for you, if you use the link in the description of my video, you will get 20% off your entire cost. Now let me run you through how to quickly register your hosting on Hostinger. Use the link in my description, scroll down the page and choose any plan that you like. I'm going to choose the business plan because it offers more features, and I'm going to click on choose plan. Remember that I want the free custom domain, so I am not going to pick the 1 month option, so I'm going to go with anything from 12 months up to 48 months. And you can see that the 20% referral discount has already been added, and so for 4 years of hosting, you are paying $153.22. Now this is the best price you would ever get anywhere else. So click on continue. You can create an account with your Google account or just use your email and password. I'm going to go right and log in with my Google account. Now I'm going to click on continue. So I have some payment options available for me: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, as well as CoinGate if I want to pay with cryptocurrency. So you can pick any of these payment methods available to you, and you can just go ahead and make your payment, and we'll meet in the inner dashboard. Alright, now that we are logged in, we'll go to websites and then we'll click on add website. Now it asks what kind of website we want to add. Is it WordPress, Hostinger website builder, or empty PHP or HTML website, or we just want to migrate a website? In this case, we are using the Hostinger website builder. So we are going to click on start creating. And then it says, what type of website do we want? We have different options here: restaurants, orders, blog. But in this, I'm just going to go with business showcase. Now I asked for our brand name, so we could put in our business name here. And then here he asks for the description of our website. So in less than 700 words, we are expected to explain what kind of website we want the AI to build for us. So I'm just going to copy and paste something I have here already, and then I'm going to click create a website. And there you have it. A website has been created for us. And on the left, you can see we have a test logo and we have our menu navigation on the right. And then the hero section has this headline and a sub headline and a call to action. The call to action says discover. We could really work on the test. That isn't going to make anyone click. And then we have some of the services that we offer right here on the hero section. And on the background, we have this gradient color. Not bad for an hero section. And when we scroll up, we see that it tells us more about our services, discover the perfect journey with us, and then explore your journey. And then here we have some of our services, flight booking, hotel accommodations, and this is completely off, so we need to actually edit and change this to a service. Now we also see that the padding here is not uniform. Edit this when we customize on the website. And then we have travel memories, and then we have some gallery images right here, and then we have customer reviews, and finally we have the footer. So not a bad website, generated within a minute. We should also note that I created some other pages for us, like the services page. We could also check some of the other pages that I created. And finally, we can check the contact page. And this is just a very simple but nice contact page. Now, in case you are not satisfied with what the AI has generated for us, we can actually go back to the AI form, change our instructions, and see whether it's going to generate us a better website. But in this case, I'm a bit satisfied with what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this website. Now, editing this website is actually very simple. It is all drag and drop. Like we could actually drag any element on this website. We could move it to the left, we could move it to the right, we could move it up, we could move it down. You already get the drift. There is nothing we cannot do with this website. So, and if we want to edit the text, we could click on it and we could write a new text with the AI writer. We can edit and add our own text if we want. We could change the color if we want. We could change the heading style, and we could change the font if we want. We could also change the font size, make it bold, make it italic, underline it, whatever it is that we want to do. And that is just how you edit the text and majority of all the elements on this website. Now let me take you through the header, and just click on the header and you can click on edit header here, and you can actually see that you can edit the layout, you can edit elements, you can edit the logo, and you can change the style. So I'm going to start with the logo, and in case I have a logo already for my business, I can click and upload the logo that I have. I could also have AI generate the logo for me. So it all depends on my choice. And then I could add more elements to the header if I choose to. I could decide not to show the logo, and I could also have the logo. I want the logo there. Then I could also have social icons added to the header. I'm going to click that on, and you will see the social icons already added. I could also have a call to action button on the header, and you will see it just right there. And I can change the layout anyhow I want. Now I can make the header sticky, or I can decide not to make it sticky. And in case you are wondering to yourself, Tolu, which one is sticky, which one is non-sticky? Well, with the non-sticky, the header scrolls with every other section of the website. With sticky, the header is fixed while every other section of the website can scroll up and down. Now you could also increase or decrease the spacing between the different elements on the header section. You can see the spacing between the icons and the menu navigation change. Now with the link spacing, that applies to the menu navigation. You could increase the space or decrease the space between the menu options. And then you could also increase or decrease the top and bottom padding. So in case you want your header a little bit smaller, you can decrease the padding. And in case you want a very large header, you can increase the padding. But we are just going to have it set at around 16 pixel. So that is all right. And you see how easy it is to edit and customize this website. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more Now we are going to scroll down to that part where I wanted to add a bit of padding. Now you see here, all we just need to do is drag this up, and you can see that there is good enough space between the top and the bottom. The same thing we are going to do here, just simple drag and drop, and you see that it is aligned with this particular one. And for this, we are just going to delete this and make it a tour guidance service. And then we are going to use AI writer to actually generate some text for us. And there you see our services section is already well customized and looking nice. Now let me show you one more editing trick for this website. Now for this section, we could actually change the background of each section. Now all we just need to do is click on the edit section, and then we can change from the color, we can change to an image, and we can have AI generate us an image, or we could actually upload one of our own. We could also have a video somewhere there, and you could see this. This actually looks nice, but the opacity is a bit. So let's drag this down, and you see, voila, this looks better. Now, the last trick I'm going to show you is how to increase the height or decrease the height of your section. So you can click on this to increase the height, and you can drag it up to decrease the height. So you see how easy it is to actually edit this website. Now remember, I told you that we are also going to add a blog to our website. So let's go ahead and add a blog. So on the options on the left side, we are going to go to AI tools, and we are going to click on it, and then we are going to scroll down to AI blog generator. So we are going to click on that, and it's going to ask us to create a blog post with AI. So it's going to ask for the tone of voice. Is it formal? Is it neutral? Or is it casual? Now I'm going for casual. And then the length of the content, we can choose anything. I'm just going to go with 800 to 1,000 words. And then we will need to put in a blog description, tell it what it should write for us, and AI we get into action. So I'm just going to paste in a short description here, and it says list top 5 attractions in Africa suitable for families or solo travelers. And AI is going to go ahead and create the content. And there you have it. Our blog post has already been created. Now we can work on it and make it even better. Now you'll also notice that on the header section that a blog menu has been added. So let's click on the blog, and you will see that a blog page has been added with some demo blog posts. Now we can go ahead and delete all these dummy blog posts so that we can have our own content on the website. Now to do that, just click on any blog post and click on the edit blog list, and you will see post and then manage post, and you will see a list of all your posts, including the one AI just created for you. So we are going to go ahead and delete the other ones. We are going to delete, and we can go ahead and publish the one that was written for us, and then we can go back to our blog, and you will see our blog post is there. So we can go ahead and create more blog posts and fill up our blog page with as many blog articles as we like. So now that we are done integrating a blog on our website, the next thing is to integrate a store. So we go to the options on the left side of our website builder, and we are going to click on the online store, and you can see that we can set up a store. So we are going to click add store, and there you have it. A store has been automatically generated for our website. So how do you set up a product? Let me show you very fast. Click on any space on the website, and you will see manage products. Click on that. It's going to ask for your store country. I'm in Nigeria. It automatically filled that in, as well as the currency, but it actually filled USD. But in Nigeria, we spend Nigerian Naira. So I'm going to change that to Naira, and I'm going to click on continue. Now you can see some of the dummy products that I already added for me. So if I wanted to add a new product, all I just need to do is click add a product, and I can choose between a physical product, multiple physical products, digital products, adding a service, appointment, or even a donation. So any which ones that we choose, all we just need to do is click on it, and we can add the photo, add the title, the subtitle, a description, and the pricing for our products. Finally, we could also set up payments for our store. Because I am in Nigeria, I am limited by the payment options that is here. But if you were somewhere in Europe or America, you sure will have a whole lot more options than I do. I'm sure that you have the PayPal and the Stripe option, and you can just use any one of that to set up your payments and start receiving payments on your website. And that's all, folks. Now we've been able to set up a website for our business using AI. So if you did get any value from this video, please do not forget to click the subscribe button as well as the like button. That will allow me and even the algorithm know that you got value from this video. So till I come your way again, as always, Tolu Abayomi is my name. Stay blessed. God loves you.